Hey dolls, I just got home after a long day. I had to stop to UPS to get my package. I ordered a bag from the Tory Burch store when I was in Miami in Aventura. Oh, also my TV is up. I had a friend come over and put it up, but I gotta have someone to hide the cords because I don't like how that looks. It looks terrible. And over here, I'm gonna have my office space. I already have my makeup area, all my makeup. Well, that's not even all of it, that's some of it. My little Mary Kay bag. And I'm also gonna be doing my porch. I'm not finished yet. Dang. Girl, you scared me! Because I opened the door, I forgot the shit was... Damn, that shit do not play. Damn! Guys, my alarm went off. I forgot to turn it off. I'm not going out there. But anyway, yeah, I got the little chair and table set that's out there. Dang, that alarm scared the shit out of me. What is that? So yeah, what was I saying? That really threw me off. So, okay, I went to work all day. I went and got food from this lady that sells food, and it was good. Actually, I didn't finish eating it. I have to warm my food up and eat it. And I had to go to UPS to pick up my package. So, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but I'm not going to do it today because I'm really not in the mood. But this is my package right here. This is my package that came in the mail. And man, I want to really open it. I should open it, right? Hey dolls, I'm about to do an unboxing. I purchased a bag from Tory Burch. I've always wanted to get a Tory Burch purse. I actually purchased one like a year ago, but I really didn't like it. And it's in my vlog from, I think it's like about 8 months ago. I don't know, but it's in one of my vlogs from that I went to Miami. If you see, it's like a side bag. But yeah, they delivered this. I was at work actually, and I had to go, request to have it picked up because I didn't want them to try to re-deliver it and I don't be home because I'm always at work. But we about to open it up and see my purse. I absolutely love this bag. I love it. And the girl at the store, she was like, it's new. She was like, I could tell you love it because you keep thinking about it. You keep coming back to it. And I did. I was looking around, looking for other bags to see if I liked anything else but this one. And what I like about this bag is it's the same material as the Chanel bag. And I know I don't have any coins to be spending on a Chanel bag right now. Even if I had it, I wouldn't do it. That's going to stay in my savings. But, yeah. So, this is my receipt from Tory Burch. And I'm going to let y'all know the information first before I open it up. So... it don't even have the name of the bag on it. I don't know. I just know it just came out maybe less than a month ago. And I paid, with tax, I paid $564.96 for the bag. And, okay, let's get to the good part. I know y'all tired of me playing. I know y'all want to see this bag just like I want to. I haven't seen it since the store. So, guys, this is a surprise to us, both of us. They packaged it okay. This is what they had to protect it, but it's in a dust bag. It comes in a dust bag. This is a cute bag though. It's really cute. Dirty box off my bed. So guys, are you ready?
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god.
This is it. My Tory Burch. It's the same leather as the Chanel bag. This is the back of it. And it has the straps and a tassel. I think it is so cute. This is the inside of the bag. Let me open it up. Take all the paper out. They stuffed it, boy. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag. And it's like two sides. Let me see. See? Two sides, double-sided. And there's a zipper inside there. And there's also a zipper in the middle. In the middle. I could put stuff in the middle. And there's pockets also. There's like, let me see. Pockets. There's pockets on the side. And it also says Tory Burch right here. But yeah, this is so cute. So guys, I could wear it like this. Let me move back so y'all can see it better. I could wear it like this to the side. Like a side bag. Or I could wear it like this on my side. And I like the length of it. I love the length of the bag. It's so cute. I'm loving my bag. Guys, let me know if you like it. This bag was... it wasn't as pricey as my Louis. Oh my God, I can't think. It wasn't as pricey as my Speedy. Guys, I don't know what's going on with me. Because my Speedy was $1,025. And the wallet was like $500 and something. I did not get a wallet for this. I don't think I need a wallet. I could just use my Louis Vuitton wallet. And I do want to get the ballerina shoes. The Tory Burch ballerina shoes. I do want to get that. Or either the slides. No, I think I want to get the ballerina shoes. It makes more sense. Because they damn near the same price. So, I'd rather get a full shoe. But guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to enjoy my bag. I love bags. I love shoes. But I absolutely love bags. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't never miss a video. And don't forget to leave a comment. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Love you, dolls.